Scooby?
Scooby, she's from a family with 2 children and 3 cats and 2 other chihuahuas, and she's very sociable. She's good on the lead. You can take her anywhere.
Yeah.
Very gentle with the cats. The cats used to sleep with her, so people won't have any problem with the
And why did they go to River for?
Because they've gone back to England, school teacher, and obviously they thought just by having the passport enabled them to take her to England. They didn't know that they had to have a blood test, and they lost a job here, so they had to go. They're hoping when they come back in 6 months that she'll still be here, but being such a beautiful dog, I don't think she will be.